Alright guys, this will be a quick video about best gaming PC build under $800 in 2023. In this video, I'll show you the best PC parts that will give you the ultimate performance. Let's get started. First, for the processor, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This one costs $139. It has excellent reviews on Amazon, and this processor comes with 6 cores and 12 threads along with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which makes it an excellent budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have the Asus Prime D550 Plus. This one costs $132. You will get 4 RAM slot, 2 M2 slot. One of them are PCIe Gen 4 SSD, small heatsink over the VRM section, all the ports that you need, and as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. Here we are using the XFX Radeon RX 6650 XT. This one costs around $309. It's an excellent 1440p gaming graphics card. You can play games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings with this graphics card. Then for the RAM, we have the Team Group T-Force Delta 16GB RAM. This one costs around $54, and those RAMs comes with those excellent heatsink, beautiful RGB effect on the top. Then for the storage, you have the Western Digital 1TB SSD. This one costs around $51. It also have nearly 10,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. This SSD comes with up to 3500 Mbps read rate speed, which is super performance for this price. Then for the power supply, you have the Thermaltake Tough Power 600 watt power supply. This one costs $64. Now reason for choosing this power supply is it comes with 80 plus gold certification along with 5-year plus warranty, which is an excellent deal in this price. Finally, the casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like. Here I am using the Zeus GameDS white RGB casing. It costs $69. You'll get 3 pre-installed RGB fan, which color you can individually control, and also you'll get a glass front, a glass side, and all those components will cost you around $829. Thanks for watching.